The temperature profile looks...
This one is ready for harvest. See the deep color here?
Yes, I see it.
Yeah.
The leaves on this branch are looking strong too.
Make sure the layers are even for proper heat distribution.
Yes, almost done with this section.
The fermentation on this lot is inconsistent.
Yes, the purple count is too high for grade 1.
Keep it coming straight, watch the side. Okay, lower it down now, right there. Forks are clear, heading back out.
The magnetic separator is working efficiently, catching all metallic impurities. The temperature profile looks stable at 180 degrees.
The pressure is holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Good yield on this batch. Pretty on it, looks optimal.
The viscosity is increasing faster than expected.
Check the flow rate on the interface, and we might need to adjust the temperature.
Check this one right here, see the slight discoloration?
Yes, I'll make a note, but overall quality is high.
Moisture content is reading at 17%. It meets the premium grade standard.
The aroma is exceptionally floral and rich.
The flow rate looks good. Agreed, the viscosity is perfect.
The precise industrial workflow begins as the powder-like flakes are loaded into the massive conch machines.
This agitation is key to the dry conching process. As the chocolate is gently heated, steam evaporates.
How is the flavor development coming along?
It's very smooth. The conching is working perfectly at this temperature.